On this episode of The Outsiders Club, Jalen and Chloe feed manatees, hippos, panthers, and bears. I hope you guys know what you're doing.
We got this.
Later, Jalen and Chloe go head-to-head in a fishing contest.
Here's how it works. Loser buys lunch.
Sounds like a deal.
Prepare for outdoor greatness.
New record! Chloe! Woohoo! We got one!
It's bears, big bass, and a lot of this.
Whoa! Oh, yes!
The Outsiders Club starts now.
Come on, let's go outside. We're gonna have some fun outside. It's where we are, it's who we are. It's the Outsiders Club.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're feeding a hippo right now. Jalen, can you start the show? I think I need a minute.
Okay. I'm Jalen, and this is Chloe. Are you okay?
I'm fine, but a hippo. Hello?
I know, it's pretty crazy, huh? Today, we're at Homosassa Springs Wildlife State Park, helping the rangers feed and care for all the amazing animals.
But before we jump in, let's learn about this beautiful park. The park gets its name from a second magnitude spring, but the real heroes are the animals, and mostly native Florida wildlife. River otters, white-tailed deer, manatees, black bears, panthers, and of course, alligators.
We take care of everything here in the park, from the land to the water and the animals. I work in all departments, from wildlife care to resource management.
That's a big panther.
The most visitation to our park comes from people wanting to see manatees. Now you can view our manatees in our beautiful spring, and they are best seen from underwater in our underwater observatory, affectionately known as the fishbowl.
As a bonus, they got a kicking concession with all kinds of good food.
Oh, now I'm hungry.
We are here to feed the animals. Focus.
Okay, guys, it's time to give Lou his medicine.
So how do we do that?
Well, it's kind of hard to get a 5,000-pound hippopotamus to take his medicine, so we have to get creative. It just so happens his favorite food are pears. So we take the pears and we put his medicine in them, and then we give it to him.
Pears. Good choice, Lou.
Whew, now I'm really hungry.
Would you just focus already?
What? Me and Lou like pears.
Here's one already loaded. Chloe, would you like to do the honors?
Yes, I'd love to.
All right, follow me. We stuff 100 pills into a pear, put the cap on, and the goal is to get it into Lou's mouth. Getting Lou his medication is kind of like a game of Hungry Hippo. We'll have him open his mouth and get the pear with the medicine right in.
While we give Lou his medicine, let's drop in on mine and Chloe's fishing battle to see who's the best fisherman or fisherwoman.
All right, guys, welcome to our stock pond. Hey, I'm Bryn Rollins from Highland Park Fish Camp here in DeLand, and we are so excited to have Jalen and Chloe here to fish our catch and release stock pond. They have a really good chance today to catch a big fish. And what I got for you today is some wild shiners. Now, this is the best live bait you can use for bass.
So are there really big fish in here?
There is. We keep it stocked with a lot of bass and catfish. We have a 10-pound bass in here right now. Yeah, so you guys are gonna see a lot of action.
This place is a fisherwoman's paradise. Big pond full of fish, a tackle store nearby, and the best part, bathrooms, so I can stay here as long as I want.
So when the bobber goes down, how long do you suggest we wait before we reel it in?
You really want to wait and see your bobber go down under the water and stay down. If it comes right back up, that's just the movement of the shiner. But if that bobber goes under the water and stays under the water, then you want to prepare to set your hook.
How do you recommend we hook the shiner?
Oh, great. Let me borrow your rod and I'll show you how we do it here.
Okay, great.
So you want to grab the shiner out of the bucket, and remember, he's going to be pretty frisky, so have a good firm hold on him. And you want to hook him right through the chin here, and you're going to go all the way up through his nose. And then you got him hooked on. Okay, so when you throw this bait out, you want to be real careful with it. They're delicate.
Okay.
You don't want to keep throwing and retrieving. You want to kind of put him where you want him and let him do all the work.
Well, I think we're ready to fish.
Yeah, I'm ready to get out there.
Good luck. Go after him.
Thank you. Okay, today we are fishing with a simple but effective shiner rig. We are using a spinning outfit rigged with a hook. We are also using a small bobber to keep the shiner from going straight down and hiding in the weeds. And that's pretty much it.
I think I got him. I think I got him. What?
Jalen!
For me, one thing I love about fishing is the fight. The battle of hooking them and bringing them in. There he is. Oh!
Yes! Yes! I can't believe you got one. It was like only 2 minutes.
Wow!
No, he's huge. That's awesome. If I don't catch one like that by the end of the day, I have to.
Crazy. This pond is a fisherman's paradise.
I'm gonna top that.
This is the biggest
I'm gonna top
fish
that.
I've got. Whoa.
That's awesome. He's huge. Look how big his mouth is. Okay, if you can catch a fish this big, I feel like I can catch an even bigger one.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. This is definitely not the biggest fish of the day. You want to bet?
Say no more.
Let's do it. That fish was huge. But he's crazy for thinking that I can't catch a fish even bigger than that one. Here's how it works. Loser buys lunch.
Sounds like a deal.
Fine. So I'm gonna go fish over there and start the winning streak. Have fun.
Have fun. There's no way she's gonna catch a bigger fish than me.
I'm probably gonna fish out close to that tree right there.
Free lunch? Oh, I'll take a free lunch.
I taught him how to fish. What is he even talking about? We did manage to agree on the rules, but here's how we're gonna do it. So each fish we catch, we'll measure it and write it down on the board. And by noon, we're gonna add up all the inches, and whoever has the most inches wins.
Chloe wants a competition? I'll give her a competition.
Animals need to find their own natural food to stay healthy. Food meant for humans isn't good for animals and can harm their health. If people are always feeding them, they might lose their fear of humans, which could be dangerous. Plus, it can be against the law. So let's keep everybody safe and remember not to feed wildlife.
Will Chloe ever catch a fish? Or will Jalen get his precious pears? These important questions answered when we return.
Splatter zone. Oh, I do not want to know what that means. You're watching The Outsiders Club, and we'll be right back.
Florida has a subtropical climate, which makes it a great place for animals to thrive. But some are thriving here that aren't supposed to be here. They're called invasive exotic species, meaning they invade the space and eat the food of the native species, which is not good. For example, the Burmese python, an invasive snake found in the Everglades, eats just about everything and has no natural predators. Or the lionfish, which eats eggs of native reef species, but there's no fish that will eat the lionfish. So they keep growing in population and eating more fish eggs.
In an ecosystem, there's only a limited amount of resources for the species that live there. Invasive species come in and they upset that balance and make it so that the native species don't always have what they need. They crowd out those native species.
Agencies work every day to rid our environment of these invasive exotic species before the situation gets out of control.
All right, we have everything we need. We have bear treats for the yard, nuts for the enrichment devices, which are paper mache today.
Awesome. Wait, where's Jalen? We must have lost him.
Wait, no, that's a chicken.
There's another one for the other one. Hand that one leafy side first.
This is cool.
Isn't that cool?
Whoa, where have you been?
Just checking out the park.
Oh, good, you're both here. It's time to feed the bears.
Awesome.
What I've set out for Chloe and Jalen are little pieces of fruit. We also have some nuts and some paper mache devices. So the nuts will go into the paper mache devices and be put around the yard so the bears can forage for them. They're gonna use their sense of smell to locate the nuts.
So where are the bears right now?
They are right behind us in a secured area. They're night houses.
So why are we putting nuts in the paper mache?
Nuts are one of the bears' favorite treats. So we're kind of hiding it in an enrichment device so they can forage for it and get it out.
Jalen, it says here that black bears can run up to 30 miles per hour.
I sure hope I can run that fast.
You mean you sure hope you can run faster?
That too.
Oh, they're opening the gate. Here they come.
So cool.
That's a big bear.
Ooh, they're getting the paper mache fish.
That's the one that we put the nuts in.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
That bear can't run no 30 miles an hour. I can outrun that.
You better hope you can.
Okay, it's on. Jalen and I are gonna have a big bass showdown. I'm not really sure if that's the name of it, but that's what I came up with, so let the tournament begin.
He's coming, he's coming. Oh yes, it's the second one. There we go. Ooh, get over here. And we got another one. Ooh, we got a 14-inch. Alrighty. Alright, that is a 14-inch. Gosh, I can't believe it. I'm smoking Chloe right now. Whew, this is a big one. That's a 19-inch fish. New record. Chloe. Woohoo, we got one.
The entire tournament, Jalen and I are right across from each other.
I don't know what Chloe's doing over there, but we're killing it.
So I can see every single fish he catches. So the pressure is definitely on.
Oh, man, I could taste that free lunch already. I just can't believe how big some of the fish are in here. I've known Chloe for a long time, and we can get pretty competitive.
I got one. Oh, wait, no, I lost it. Ugh, I don't understand what's going on. I mean, Jalen is crushing me right now.
I got 4 fish on the board, and she ain't got nothing.
I gotta do something here quick. What? Ugh, are you kidding me? Jalen caught another one. I remembered a trick my dad taught me once. I'm gonna try that. So my dad taught me to get the fish's attention, you gotta pop the bobber a little bit. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm just giving it a try. Whoa! Oh, yes! Yes! Hey, Jalen, look who just caught a fish! 13 inches. Woo! Yes! Ooh, I got another one. Yes! I got another one! This one's gotta be at least 15 inches.
I got a pretty big lead, but I can't count Chloe out yet. That girl can fish.
I don't really understand how this is working, but it's working.
When we come back, Jalen, steps in it.
Jalen, what are you doing?
Picking up piles of hooky.
You're watching The Outsiders Club, and we'll be right back.
Jalen and Chloe are at Homosassa Springs Wildlife State Park, helping park rangers feed and care for the animals. But what is Jalen doing?
How did I get on pile pickup duty? All of a sudden, I'm not hungry anymore.
Jalen, what are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm picking up piles of hooky.
Piles of what? Okay, I get it. While Jalen finishes up, let's see which one of us gets crowned Angler of the Year.
Wait, where are you going? You're not gonna help?
I'm allergic to hooky.
Today, we're shiner fishing, and if you've never been, it's super fun.
I think I got him. Oh, yes! Get over here! Whoa, I got a fish!
So it's on. Jalen and I are gonna have a giant tournament and see who catches all the fish. I can't believe how much these bass love these shiners. They just can't get enough of them. This pond may look small, but let me tell you, it's 8 feet deep in the middle and it is loaded with big bass.
We have a couple of pond rules here at Highland Park Fish Camp. It's all catch and release. We want you to catch the fish, but you want to put them back in the water and treat the fish with respect. Take a picture of them and put them back for another fight.
I got you, fishy. This thing's gotta be like at least 17 or 18 inches. 19 inches, yes! Okay, let's get you back in the water so I can catch another one.
There we go. I think the hook is set. Get over here. There we go. Got it. And that's another one. I'm looking at that board and she's catching up.
gosh, I can't believe it. Okay, this one is huge. He's got to be at least 22 inches, I'd say. This is a largemouth bass, and you can see why they call them a largemouth bass. Just look how big his mouth is. Jalen, look what I'm releasing.
Here at Highland Park Fish Camp, we're located in DeLand, Florida, and this year we recently celebrated our 55th year in business. We have boats to rent, we have guide services, we sell bait and tackle, we have cabins and a little campground, and of course we have the catch and release stock pond.
Okay, Jalen, it's 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock?
Yeah, it's 12 o'clock right now.
Wait, are you sure you don't want to fish any longer?
No, we made an agreement, 12 o'clock. Come, let's go tally the scores.
Yeah, are you sure these numbers are right?
Oh, come on, Jalen. I was measuring my fish with the same thing you were measuring yours with.
That says 101.
No, that says 19.
No.
Just add up your numbers and I'll add up mine, and then we can tell.
See over there? Guess I'm buying lunch. Does anybody have any cash?
What do you got for me?
I have your lunch.
Oh yeah, the sweet taste of victory. I did kind of deserve it. I did a pretty good job today, if I do say so myself.
You did. You
Yeah.
caught a lot of fish. I had one big one. If I would have brought that in, oh.
We got you. Get over here. Oh, he's a fighter. That's what he is.
Oh, man, he got my bait. That would have been a game changer.
If you brought it in, but sadly you didn't.
But this place is so beautiful to fish. This is the biggest fish I've ever caught.
The competition aside, it was a lot of fun.
It was fun. Good job.
Good job.
You guys ready to take a little cruise?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So fishing this morning really wore me out, and man, it's just so nice to get on this boat right here and relax.
We're going out on the Norstead River today. I'm gonna take Jalen and Chloe out on a boat ride, and we're hoping to see a lot of wildlife, alligators, turtles, birds, maybe even a manatee, and just get out in some sunshine. We're on a tributary that connects to the St. Johns River. It's called the Norstead River.
Look, it's a turtle.
He's so cute.
It's surrounded by a wildlife refuge. It's all undeveloped waterways, tons of wildlife. It's real old Florida, and you cannot beat this kind of view.
Days like this are one of the reasons why I love being outside.
What a great day Jalen and I had. We caught a ton of fish, I kicked his butt, and then we got a really relaxing cruise on the river. Man, doesn't get any better than this. What a great day to be outside.
You're watching The Outsiders Club, and we'll be right back. What are you up to?
We're feeding the panther. What is that smell? And what are you eating?
That's the smell of success. I cleaned the entire enclosure, and this is a chicken nugget. I think?
You're unbelievable.
Come on, let's go check out the manatees.
Okay, but let's say goodbye first. We hope you learned something today, and we hope you're inspired to be a fellow outsider.
Check us out on Instagram and watch all our shows on our YouTube channel. But most importantly, remember, keep it outside. Want a bite?
No. Whoa, that's awesome.
You see how big he is?
Oh my God.
Check us out on our Instagram at The Outsiders Club TV and watch all of our shows on our YouTube channel. And for more information, visit theoutsidersclub.com. And remember, keep it outside.